Request ko nila. So, thank you very much po. Napasaya nyo ang buong community. Okay, are you ready? Gusto nyo bang malaman kung sino ang mga nanalo? Freshman kaya mag-uwi ng title? Sa tingin nyo, first year? Full impact, yes? Yung ano po? This is Evangeline T. Ariola and Mrs. Yolanda Serrano. Again, Mrs. Evangeline T. Ariola and Mrs. Yolanda Serrano. Ma'am Ariola. Male. Pre-LM male category. Next, our first runner-up for female category pre-LM department. We have candidate number 3. Second runner-up. Thank you, assistant. We have candidate number 3 to be awarded by Mr. Rodney Rodriguez and Mrs. Julie De La Cruz. Huwag po munang uuwi yung mga winners po ha, kasi gonna-have pa po yung ano. Okay, next for the female category first runner-up. Candidate number 2. Huwag niyo po munang iano po yung mga bata, no? Para po makapagpa-picture pa later. And now, we have candidate number 2. Okay. Mister. Or candidate number 4.
Paano ba ganito?
Pwede ko ang Maylene Montemayor and Mr. Ronald Avendaño.
Kanina, hindi nagre-record kanina.
Again, Miss Maylene Montemayor and Mr. Ronald Avendaño.
Ito, nakarecord na yan.
Sila, candidate number 4. Maybe ko ang Mrs. Evelyn Tabi and Mr. Ronald Avendaño. Maybe ko our second runner-up is our first runner-up, rather. Our first runner-up is Mrs. Abad. Mrs. Abad, Mrs. Jose Abad. Kindly. Okay, kindly award.
Baba mo lang ako dito. Ready?
Elementary department. We have candidate number 1. And for our Miss St. Vincent Elementary department, number 6. call on the parents.
Bye.
Sige po, pwede po kayong umakyat sa stage. There you go. Proud na proud ang mga parents natin. Okay, may we call on runner-up. Our second runners-up for the high school department. Okay, again, may we call on Mr. J.B. Santilian and Mrs. Pinky Santilian. Okay, sabay kong tatawagin ha. Our second runner-up for Mr. St. Vincent 2010 is candidate number 2. And our second runner-up for Miss St. Vincent 2010, we have candidate number 7. To be awarded by Mrs. Natividad La Victoria, Miss, together with our President Directress, Miss Visitacion R. Pontanilla.